Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how you can quickly migrate your your data from Microsoft Excel worksheet to Access database. And we have migrated it in. We showed you step by step everything that we created a table, a database first of all, and named it as a Qadar tracking. Okay, and then we created a table in which these are the four fields: user, adding in this is a user field is an additional field. Otherwise, in Excel, we were using only these four fields. Since in Excel, it was only for my own use. So using a separate user field is with the intention that this service, this application will become as a service to the people who want to utilize this dashboard, right? In which they can track their day-to-day performance of certain activities. In my case, I'm performing the Qada Salah, and I'm on daily basis. I miss Salah. Those who are unticked, these are missed. Huh? My miss Salahs I am performing, and I am just clicking OK in here. So it will mark the next five Wi-Fi, because we have left it open. You can make different, say, any number which you can use. Since 5 days clearance of the backlog, that is 30 prayers, right? 5, 6 are 30, right? So five is something which I can be consistent. So I have put it in five here, and that's it. And the next thing I do is I click here, go. So what would happen? It will confirm. It will receive a confirmation from you that you are ready to add for the 5 records, right? Update them. Okay, so you click yes. So this way, and it plots the updated figures based records. Yeah, the chart based on the updated figures, right? These are the updated figures after markings there, and the dates are mentioned here. It is the 10th of July, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1978. It's now performed on 5th of July. Right? You can see these next five are shown in here. So these are now 10. So keep on. So Excel is very powerful, and it's very friendly. It can. I have used Excel to update, to make the entries in other databases like SAP MaxDB, and JT Edwards system, or even in Oracle. So all you need to do is you should know how to use the provider to get connected to the database, and the rest of the thing is taken care by ADODB, that is active database objects, and you get the connection, you establish a record set, and you pass on the SQL command, and on the basis of that command, the records are extracted, and you can create your own report. So this is how we do the programming, in which we use different databases in Excel uh, to report to make the dashboard, for example, or to create a customized reports, etc. Right. So and this chart is developed quickly each time when you click go. So it is so to go to the code, what we do, we press Alt F11. So this takes you to the code, right? So this is the recreate my chart procedure, which is what it is doing. Whenever it is called, it highlights this range, the L2 to M4, L2 to M4, right? And the pie chart is ready, right? So there is some technical issue here that each time when you invoke a new chart name is created. So that chart name has to be referred like this, CHART, right? So, so using this variable, we don't have to each time worry about which chart name do we have to refer, because each time you have a new chart, each time when you click go, the report is generated, the pie chart is created with a new chart name. So new chart name is whatever is the name. So that is, this is the command in which what it does is that it says that whatever is the chart name, in that chart name you remove the sheet reference, whatever it is, right, and of the active sheet, and this will get you the next chart name, right? So if you want to, let's say that we want to redo the last five row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? These are the 5 rows. I'm sorry, not here. The due should not be changed. I put it back. The performed, the things which we have, we should do, not the due. Okay, because due is shouldn't be changeable, right? So these are the 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 days which we want to redo. So for this, we have to remove for the main. Okay, so we can write the code here that to that so that we don't have to uh, redo we on to do this exercise of doing it again, right? Okay, since we are in the mode of developing it, so just to what I want to show you that how does the chart name is gets it is obtained by the system and it gets stored into the variable, and then it is replaced so that we have the right chart name to refer, right? Okay, so this we are ready to do this last thing again. So let's remove this chart and we click go, right? So the same dates should come again. If we remove it, right? You don't, okay, if we remove it so that, and see what happens. And we have put the breakpoint so that you can see that what happens when you create a chart, pie chart. So you get a new code. You always get a new chart reference, right? So the program dynamically uses the right chart name. Yeah, so it has obtained the chart. Chart name is actually which is to be referred is chart C the 32. Next time it will be 33. Now further, if you go 34, 35. So in order to not to worry that what chart reference is, so this is the logic which is being used. So the active chart name variable will come with the sheet name reference plus space and then chart name, right? So we have to replace this chart name, active sheet dot chart name, with a null in the active sheet name and a space. So if you say this, so this part we are replacing it with a null. So the remaining thing, which is now stored, that is exactly the chart name, which is going to be referred each time you refer to the chart, right? So you don't have to worry whether it is chart 32 or 33 or whatever. So this way we do the chart. The code obtains the chart dynamically, automatically, and you don't have to worry about it. What chart name to be referred. So let's click right. So you have each time you have the right chart, and you have the same 10 July until for 14 July 78, performed on 5th of July, for 5th of August. And this is the figure calculation. All these things are reported onto you. And this, we can email it to the users of the system so that they get what is the status of their activities, which they are performing on daily basis. Okay, thank you very much for watching.